All right, my people. I did greet all of now where I did thank everybody when they listen to this issue. And now I want to talk expressly directly about this state creation and the proposed new states that some legislators are proposing now. Yes, it's a good thing. One thing I want to start by, okay, man, talking like this, where we say everybody go understand me. Now we say everybody gets the right, to agitate for a new state. Yes, that's good. But there are things where we say we're supposed to consider. Today, the Nigerian government, we know, with all the resources and everything they have and with the issues at hand, Nigeria is not thinking. Say they won't create 30-something states again. Now, no. Nigeria no, they think about that one. Where the resources when they won't take manage them? The ones when they create already, they did and difficult to manage. And I said they won't add extra 30-something new states. It's not possible. You understand? It's not possible. And that's just the truth. Now, if you talk about state creation, governments, federal governments, they think of, they consider one state when they won't create. And that's because there is a very good, valid reason for creating that state. It's only one state that is being considered to be created. And they won't create that state to make balancing for the geopolitical zone. So before they think about creating more new states, when go reach 30-something, no, the federal government, they think of how they want to take balance this one, where we say it costs katakata for the country. Out of all the 6 geopolitical zone, only Southeast get 5 member states. So government, they think of how to create another state so that Southeast go get 6 states as every other geopolitical zones get. Now, we come to the essence where we want to ask ourselves, which state be that one when they go come create? All those states there, when they agitate for. It is state there, other state or so and so forth, so many of them. Now, which one, ANIOMA state there, which one is the best to be created? If you look at what everybody, in fact, let me say, both people from Southeast, people for South here, when they Delta State, that's talking about ANIOMA people, Delta North people for inside Delta State. Yes, if you look everything when everybody they talk now, why they want ANIOMA State? Now ANIOMA State, now be the state when they want make government create. So it can't be very bad. Say some of these our reps, then when they Southeast, now they listen to the voice of their people before they begin to begin to say that they want, maybe they create a TT state, maybe they create this and that. There are reasons, there are facts. Direct fact, when say it go even make federal government consider to create ANIOMA more than thinking of any other state. We'll talk about balancing, we don't talk that issue now. And you now talk about, say, okay, which state go there more viable? Every one of us knows, say, yes, if you create ANIOMA state, it becomes more viable. That's not the only fact there. When you create a TT state from existing states, the implications when they're there, plenty. Because from the land adjustment and this and that, all those one go lead to further fragmentation of that area. And if you still come up for that point too, creating a TT state from existing states there will not enlarge the landmass of existing Southeast. ANIOMA state that will be carved out from Delta and maybe partly River State, that's the queries and all that, has over 6,400,000 square meter when you talk about the landmass. So when it is carved and added to the Southeast geopolitical zone, you see the landmass has also what? Enlarged. From being that dot in a circle that Southeast is being referred to. Our people know the reason many things. See, if not because of the Biafra war and when they can't do adjustment, they do everything, made they separate the Igbos. All of us now one. You understand it? We are all one. Now, when ANIOMA State is created as part of the Southeast geopolitical zone, it will also reunite us with our people, our kids and kin. Now then we go there together with our people. Every one of us, why in the Kusi, I so Nkwo, Eke Olie Afo, is our market days. We are one people. So anybody that is also saying in data note here that is not an Igbo person is just lying to himself. Or probably in the fear. You know, say before it be like something say government they fight against Igbo. So it make many people when they come out, they deny their identity. They're not those rep to when they President Southeast. When they talk say and now they go become ANIOMA people go become Igbo. Is there any time that ANIOMA people came out and say they are not Igbo people? Check all the leadership of the organization Igbo. ANIOMA people are there. So that is what we are saying. There are many reasons why we say now ANIOMA State will be the best state when they go create for Southeast. More than any other one when all these people they agitate for. My people are thankful. Now that one I thought say make I stop first. As I drive they go so say make I tell on first. Make una help me share them. Tell all those our rep when they agitate for any other state. Yes, they get right to. But ANIOMA remains the oldest. The oldest agitation. And the most viable state when created. With every reason, ANIOMA is the best. And that is why organizing Igbo, all the top people for Igbo land, even subgroups for Igbo, when they present Southeast, all of them, they support, say, make them create ANIOMA State. And they beg our rep them, all those our legislators, make una go back. Go on home, go ask questions, they go tell us ANIOMA State they want. Make una join hand together with Senator Prince Ned Nwoko. Now the matter don't go public here. Make una join hand, make we create ANIOMA State. Not sign each other. You don't know how they treat us for this side where we did. Where we say they look us say we be Igbo. I beg. Now what I carry contact today with that one. Una do. Una not forget my name. Now Chief Rich K. Enuenwosu Benene.